She wants a lean, she want the Gucci. I ride with some hundreds on me, I got the Gucci. Pull up in the Jeep, I put it on for a Jeep. I want your body, do it like I'm on the front seat. For an hour, then we go to the next seat.
Quick little like bike check. So we've got Big Ripper right here, fresh today. So we've got HS33, SE grips, SE mushroom like grip softeners. We've got like the SE pads, SE stem, just running the big honkins. So for tyres, we've got the Maxxis hookworms. These are like so fresh, but they're like quite hard to find. Got this normal SE wheels. The sticker kit is from Magic Designs, so you can just check them out. We'll leave like description in the bio. Magic Design sticker kit. You can just like go Magic Designs, link right there. That's that Magic Designs right there. Black SE stick with the blue backplate. Check that thing. Magura HS33, but that needs to bleed at the moment. So like, this is a hydraulic rim brake. And then we've got normal SE pegs. That's the John. Oh, and the Hope spacers. Like, can't forget about that. Alright, so moving on, we've got the SE Beast mode. This is like, I got this fresh, second hand, but it's fresh. So you've got like purple ODIs, fresh SLX brake. This is the 2021. I've got Mafia bars, Hope spacers. Also, I've got the Magic Designs kit. I've just got a rockshop sticker. Purple spoke skins. I just cut them down. Like, we'll leave like a little like tutorial how you can do spokes. Purple DMR pedals, they're like worn. Hope seat clamp. You can buy that at Chain Reaction Cycles, best shop. So you got big flyer seat. That's like ruined because I'm doing like seat stands and stuff and it's just ripping up. UK grip pegs. We've got SLX disc and then a KMC purple chain. That's like a strong chain. Highly recommended. Purchase that right now. So yeah, that's the John. Done.